working on their welds. The sparks are flying at Battery Creek High School as welding students work on projects. For 2 female students in the class, welding is in their blood.
My grandfather is a welder, and so I thought, why not try it out? It's because I can, and it's a good skill that I could learn, and that's really brought me to it.
My uncle used to be a welder, and I've always kind of grew up knowing that there's a lot of pros to it. You learn a lot from it, and it's a really good environment at Battery Creek. Like, it's my family, honestly.
Having female students take welding isn't anything new, but it is the first time the instructor has had 2 in the same class.
I've had females prior, but never 2 at the same time. They do really well, they pay very close attention to detail, and they work extremely hard.
The students are learning lots of welding skills.
We learn how to use power tools, so like the grinder and cut and disc, and then we have the buffer pad. And then we also learn about like electricity and how that affects the welding. So like if you have too high of amperage, you're gonna get undercut, and that's just like hands-on and tools-based.
Basically, we deal with a lot of different type of metals and different lengths and stuff. Right now, we're kind of just doing the basics, but it's really good stuff to know, and you learn about measurements, and you learn about how you have to be really precise with what you do, and every little thing you do changes how your weld comes out, so it's just been a good thing to know.
One of the students is also planning to pursue a career in welding.
So I'm thinking about underwater welding, and I took scuba courses over the summer, and not only do they make a lot of money, but it's really cool to be around the environment, and you can work on boats, on pipelines. So I'm looking forward to just learning how to underwater weld in the future and maybe just discovering what that's like.
Both students see the amazing possibilities welding can offer.
I like the consistency, and like you get to try it over again. So if you mess a weld up, you can do it again, try it out. You can grind it off and then do it again. Just keep going, and it's like it's a pattern that you constantly do.
It's good for females to be joining welding. I think that there's a lot of power behind that. So I encourage more people to do stuff like that.
The school offers 4 levels of welding courses. At Battery Creek High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.